This artificially intelligent ML agent learns to drive a car in a 3D physics simulation. Hello everybody, it's Riju here and you are watching Future AI. This is the fully trained car driving like a professional racer. Just kidding. The simulation was implemented using Unity's ML agents framework, and its learning is based on reinforcement learning of neural network. Seems complicated, right? Let's dive deeper. So these lines around the car acts as LiDAR or radars for the car to sense its environment. So here you can see the LiDARs in action. And I'm using reinforcement learning which allows it to fully train on its own on trial and error basis. Let's see how the training works. So the car starts with random actions trying to figure out the controls, which are just two outputs, throttle and steer. And every episode it learns from the previous mistake and becomes better and better as it goes. Here you can see the training of the car in action. Starting from episode 1, the car is driving forward because I'm giving it positive reward every time it gets closer to the curves. Now it's episode 10 and it's doing pretty good job right there. If you're wondering why the car is getting reset every time, then it's because I'm resetting the car's position and the rotation every time it collides with a wall or any obstacles. It's more than 8,600 episodes now and the car is taking the right turn as expected. So after taking the right turn, it's again started to move straight because it just wants rewards as it goes forward. And it's nearly 8,800 episodes and you can see the car is really doing a pretty good job. As its target is to get the maximum reward possible, the car is just trying to move forward and it's crashing with the wall. But after crashing, it gets some negative reward, so it also tries not to crash. And now sometimes it is able to take the full curve, and that's really awesome. Here, right after taking the second term at nearly 10,000 episodes, the car is stopping at obstacles. I really did not expect it to stop because I wrote a code in which it just need to run forward to get some rewards. But here you can see the car stops at the obstacles because it don't want the negative rewards which it gets after crashing with the wall. Here the radars are helping the car to recognize that there is a wall at the front and also at the back. So I think the car is confused between going front or it needs to go back, and it's not that intelligent that it will know what to do, and finally it crashes. Just a short clip to show how it stops because I really like the way it stops. After 50,000 episodes, it learns how to take the next turn as well. So total it's taking 3 turns. I'll keep it running for 100,000 steps, expecting it to move a little faster. This is the final result after training for 1 million episodes. You can see how awesome it's driving. If you want this neural network to do something else, comment down below and I will try to make that. Well, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.